I tried installing a budget flat-pack sauna in my basement, only to find the panels warped within weeks and the heater shorted out during my first relaxing session. Choosing the right indoor unit requires looking past cheap marketing claims. Today, we count down the top 5 best 2-person home saunas on the market. Let's dive right in. 5. Almost Heaven Hillsboro. Unboxing this traditional unit, you immediately appreciate its stunning, high-grade spruce construction, utilizing precise tongue-and-groove techniques. It offers a clean, elegant aesthetic, completely free of visible fasteners, giving it a premium look that blends nicely into a spare bedroom or home gym space. The heart of this traditional model is a powerful Harvias 6 kilowatt electric heater, capable of pushing temperatures up to a scorching 185 degrees Fahrenheit. During testing, the radiant heat felt authentic, and pouring water over the hot stones generated a wonderful burst of steam that mimics a classic Finnish bathhouse experience. The extra-wide interior bench seating provides decent ergonomic support for 2 bathers. However, using the Hillsboro comes with notable logistical hurdles, particularly regarding electrical setup. Unlike infrared units that plug into standard walls, this traditional heater demands a heavy-duty 240-volt electrical line and a professional 30-amp breaker installation, driving up your total upfront setup costs significantly if your room lacks proper wiring. Furthermore, the pre-built panels are surprisingly heavy and awkward to maneuver down narrow hallways or tight basement stairs during assembly. The lack of active internal ventilation also means the cabin can get stuffy quickly if you aren't careful. While it delivers true traditional heat, these power and installation drawbacks place it at the bottom of our list. 4. Dynamic Saunas Barcelona. Crafted from environmentally friendly reforested Canadian hemlock wood planks, this compact unit is specifically designed for tighter residential spaces where traditional high-heat saunas simply won't fit. The exterior features a clean, natural wood finish paired with a bronze tempered glass door. The heating system relies on 6 low-EMF energy-efficient carbon far-infrared panels distributed evenly throughout the interior cabin, including a dedicated foot heater. During testing, the carbon panels produced a soft, wide distribution of heat that warmed up comfortably within 30 minutes. The built-in Bluetooth audio system and simple digital control panel add convenient modern touches for daily relaxation sessions. Yet, this entry-level infrared model introduces several frustrating compromises during long-term use. The interior dimensions are tightly squeezed for 2 adults, forcing you and a partner to sit shoulder to shoulder with very little breathing room. If you are broad-shouldered or tall, the cabin feels restrictive rather than relaxing. Another drawback is the reliability of the electronic components over time. During my extended testing phase, the digital control pad experienced intermittent connection glitches, occasionally resetting mid-session. While the price point is attractive for budget-conscious buyers, these spatial and hardware limitations keep it from climbing higher. 3. Golden Designs Reserve Edition. Unpacking this advanced wellness unit reveals gorgeous natural Canadian hemlock framing paired with sophisticated bronze privacy glass and sleek exterior accent lighting. It elevates the visual appeal of any indoor space instantly, looking more like a luxury day spa fixture than a standard home appliance. The performance is driven by a cutting-edge full-spectrum heating configuration that combines PureTech near-zero EMF carbon far-infrared panels with dedicated near-infrared elements. During my testing sessions, the deep, penetrating warmth felt exceptionally therapeutic, helping soothe tight muscles and boost circulation quickly. The integrated Himalayan salt bar, placed beneath the bench, adds a subtle, relaxing touch to the air quality. The user interface is a breath of fresh air, featuring an intuitive touchscreen control panel that lets you seamlessly adjust interior temperatures, control the oversized chromotherapy LED lighting, and stream your favorite music via Bluetooth audio. The clasped-together assembly design also makes putting the panels together significantly easier than traditional tongue-and-groove kits. While it commands a higher price tag than basic entry-level models, the generous interior footprint, advanced full-spectrum heat options, and low EMF safety engineering make it a stellar mid-tier choice for serious home wellness enthusiasts. 2. HealthMate Enrich 2. As a legendary name in the home wellness industry, HealthMate has engineered a robust, beautifully finished, two-person infrared sauna designed to maximize both therapeutic output and daily comfort. The rich, non-toxic wood construction feels solid, heavy, and reassuringly durable. The standout feature during testing is HealthMate's patented dual-wave Tecalloy mid- and far-infrared heaters, complemented by a massive 96-diode color LED panel that supports advanced chromotherapy and red light therapy sessions. The heat distribution is phenomenal, enveloping your entire body in 360-degree warmth that triggers a deep cleansing sweat within minutes of stepping inside. The interior ergonomics are exceptionally well thought out, featuring a contoured ergonomic bench, a built-in interior towel bar, and a gorgeous wood surround glass door that retains heat efficiently. Unlike cheaper competitors, the unit plugs into a standard household electrical circuit while maintaining ultra-low EMF output levels for peace of mind. Operating quietly and reliably, the Enrich 2 delivers professional-grade health benefits right in your home. While it requires a dedicated helper during assembly due to the sheer density of the panels, its superior heating technology and flawless craftsmanship make it an extraordinary runner-up. 1. Clearlight Sanctuary 2. This is the absolute pinnacle of infrared sauna engineering, combining breathtaking modern aesthetics, state-of-the-art digital technology, and peerless therapeutic performance into a single luxury package. Constructed from certified clear Canadian hemlock or Western red cedar, its seamless exterior design commands attention in any luxury home. The performance of the Sanctuary 2 is completely unmatched. Equipped with true-wave full-spectrum heaters that emit infrared wavelengths across near, mid, and far ranges, it delivers maximum therapeutic absorption. During my rigorous testing, the heat felt deeply penetrating and smooth, completely eliminating the harsh hot spots common in lesser units. The digital touchpads inside and outside the cabin make monitoring sessions effortless. Clearlight has also mastered user convenience and smart integration. The built-in architectural lighting features comprehensive chromotherapy, and the state-of-the-art audio system delivers crystal-clear sound. Furthermore, the low EMF and low ELF shielding technology ensures your body absorbs maximum wellness benefits in a completely clean electromagnetic environment. Spacious enough for two adults to stretch out comfortably, engineered for effortless tool-free assembly, and backed by an industry-leading lifetime warranty, the Clearlight Sanctuary 2 solves every common complaint found in home saunas. Advanced full-spectrum heating and ultimate luxury design, it is undeniably the best two-person home sauna you can buy. Buying guide. Finding the best two-person home sauna comes down to balancing the type of heat you enjoy with the space and budget you have available. Because a two-person unit is relatively compact, it offers the most flexibility for both indoor and outdoor setups. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you choose the right model for your home. 1. Choose your heat type. The biggest mistake buyers make is shopping for features before deciding how they want the room to feel. 2. Decide on location, indoor versus outdoor. Your location dictates the installation complexity and the style of the sauna. Indoor saunas. These are usually the easiest path to frequent daily use. They work great in basements, home gyms, or large primary bathrooms. Infrared models are heavily favored for indoors because they produce no steam, protecting your drywall from moisture, and run on less power. Outdoor saunas. If you want a traditional steam experience, outdoor is often the best choice. Barrel saunas are incredibly popular for backyards because their cylindrical shape sheds snow and rain while circulating heat efficiently. They do require a level foundation and weatherproofing. Use this interactive tool to estimate your overall costs and compare how different configurations affect your budget. 3. Size and space requirements. While two-person sounds standard, actual comfort can vary. The footprint. A standard two-person sauna requires a minimum footprint of about 4 by 4 feet, 48 by 48 inches. The comfort zone. If you want enough room to stretch out slightly, look for interior dimensions closer to 54 inches deep by 72 inches wide. Clearance. Remember to leave a few inches of clearance around the exterior walls for ventilation and assembly. 4. Power and installation. Before clicking buy, you need to know how you will power it. Electrical requirements. Most traditional saunas and many high-end infrared models require a dedicated 240-volt electrical circuit. You will likely need to hire a licensed electrician to wire this, which adds to your upfront cost. Some smaller entry-level infrared saunas can plug into a standard 120-volt household outlet. Running costs. Modern saunas are highly energy efficient. A typical session uses between 1.5 to 3 kilowatt-hours of electricity, which usually equates to just 80 cents to $2 per use, depending on your local energy rates. Assembly. Most two-person home saunas arrive as flat-packed DIY kits with pre-built wall panels. With 2 people, assembly usually takes just a few hours using basic hand tools.